Hello guys, welcome back again to another video on my YouTube channel. So how are you my dear friends and my dear subscriber? I hope you all fine now today. Today our topic is SEO and social media marketing services. So I will search it. So this is some result show on my display. So today our topic you see now. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Then I will upload to new video on my YouTube channel. You received a notification in your mobile phone. Then you watched first now review in my YouTube channel the first video. So please don't skip video any place any time. So what I say, what I do, you did not understand anything. So please compromise in my video. So like my video and comment my video. So should I start now my video? Social media marketing Meta for business official website. Advertise on Meta today and reach your business next customers. Best social media marketing services. Social media marketing services. Social media marketing is the use of social media to increase brand awareness, build to targeted following, drive website traffic, and ultimately increase your business. Social media marketing services. Blue Corona. Blue Corona is much more than is a social media marketing business or SEO company. We truly see ourselves as an internet marketing partner to your business. Social media marketing services drive ROI with our expert team WebFX. So I will open this website and some results show on display and you see now. So drive a return on investment from places like Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn with social media services from WebFX with our competitive social media management services which include access to market cloud all powered insight. Your business can start growing its brand awareness and renew from social media. So enter your website and send a proposal. So my video is end. So see you tomorrow to next video. Bye bye, take care.